Here is my response to this question. The questions guys given you a rational equation where we have to find the value of k. There are two variables, n and k. So normally when you have two variables, there should be two equations, and they solve for each variable to get the answer. But in this question, there will be a little different approach. So what I'm going to do in here is this. First of all, I'm going to simplify this equation which is given. So it is given as n over n minus 1 times 1 over n times n over n plus 1, and this side is equal to 5 over k, and we have to find the value of k. K equals to what? So first, if I simplify this equation, what happens? This n divided by n gives me 1, and so I get the n over n plus 1 times 1 over n minus 1, and that is equal to 5 over k. Now I'm going to multiply this, so n over n square minus 1, and this side and the other side is 5 over k. How did I get this one? This is the difference of 2 square n plus 1 times n minus 1. This is a difference of 2 square. If you use the FOIL method, then this is going to give you n square, and then it gives you minus n, then plus n, and then minus 1, and this take away this becomes 0, and that gives me n square minus 1. This is also called difference of 2 square. N square is square, and 1 is always square. So this is the difference of 2 square. So I wrote this thing is equal to this. Now, because there is a single numerator and a single denominator, I can compare the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So when I compare the numerator and the denominator, compare the numerator, then what we get n equals to 5, and when you compare the denominator, then n square minus 1 is equal to k. So because n equal to 5, therefore k will be equal to 5 square minus 1, which is 25 minus 1, and that gives me 24. So the value of k is going to be equal to 24, and the answer is C. I hope you understand all these steps and you also understand the question.